Chat, I don't want to put a delay on when we do this, guys, because the point of a live stream is the live interaction back and forth with your chat room, not... Are you cheating?
Hey,
what the
man.
fuck was that, bro?
Hey, man.
Nah, that ain't legit. Nope. No, sir. If I was spectating a random right here, my fucking alarm's going off, buddy. Like, what?
Give Mark me a buy right now.
Fire station here. Get me back in.
No, not that one. Not that one.
You...
What the fuck was that?
B-Mac swoops in like the fucking Avengers, bro.